Right, so we've got a patient here who has been prescribed flucloxacillin 1 gram to be diluted in 100 ml of normal saline and to be infused over 30 minutes. And the question requires you to calculate the rate, in other words, the speed that we need to infuse this medication or to give this medication over the 30 minutes. So what we could do is we can see here we got 1 gram of the medication that has been diluted in 100 mils of normal saline or normal saline that needs to be infused over 30 minutes or in half an hour, and they want you to calculate the rate. So one thing that we know for sure is rate. The formula here that we normally use, rate is equal to volume divided by time, and the volume always needs to be in milliliters and the time needs to be in hours. And of course, this will give you an answer which is mils per hour, and that's what we'll be working with. For this question of yours here, we can say that we got the volume here. This will be our volume. And then this will be our time for sure, which will be our T. So we could say the volume, because we got volume here, is 100 mils of the NS. And then the time is half an hour, which is 30 minutes. And going back to the formula, the time needs to be in hours, and what we've been given is in minutes. So if you are to use minutes here, the answer that you get will be wrong, or it will give you the speed at which you need to give in minutes, but you're looking for hours. So we need to convert this 30 minutes into hours. And what we need to do at this point is we'll say that 30 minutes divided by 60, which are 60 minutes in 1 hour, which should give us 0.5 of an hour or just half an hour. And that's what we'll be using. So our time will be 0.5. So the rate is equal to volume over time, whereby our volume here is 100 mils and our time is 0.5 hours. So if you have to use a calculator again here, this will give us 200 mils per hour, which your answer will be 200 mils per hour. Remember, we were left with mils there and hours there, and that's what we've used here as well. So this one goes there, and then this one will go here as well. So, and this becomes your final answer.